Welcome to the Astoundingly Average Number Game. In this lesson, we will solve the puzzle slowly and carefully. The big idea is simple. The number in the middle shape must be the average of the numbers in the surrounding circles. So every task is really about totals, averages, and patterns. Across the top, choose the task number. Check tests your own attempt. Show thinking is the teaching mode. It places cards step by step and explains the reasoning. Reset clears the board so you can try again. A good habit is to attempt the puzzle first, then use show thinking to compare your method with the guided method. Task 1 is the basic triangle. Watch the 3 outer cards first. Here we choose 1, 2, and 9. Their total is 12. Since the center must be the average of 3 outer numbers, we divide 12 by 3. That gives 4, so 4 goes in the triangle. This is the core method for many later tasks. Task 2 introduces 2 shapes. The safe strategy is to solve one shape at a time. In the triangle, 1 plus 2 plus 6 makes 9, so the center is 3. In the square, 4 plus 5 plus 8 plus 11 makes 28. Divide by 4, and the center is 7. The rule stays the same, but the divisor changes with the number of outer positions. Task 3 works backward from given numbers. The outer cards are already fixed as 13, 17, and 18. Their total is 48. Divide by 3, and the missing center must be 16. This task is useful because it shows that average can help us find an unknown number, not only check a completed arrangement. Task 4 is different because there is no solution. Suppose the 4 consecutive cards are n plus 1, n plus 2, and n plus 3. Their total is 4n plus 6. But if one card were the average of the other 3, then the total of all 4 cards would have to be 4 times the center, so it would be a multiple of 4. 4n plus 6 is never a multiple of 4, so this task cannot be solved. Task 5 uses all the numbers from 1 to 8 across 2 triangles. Again, solve one triangle cleanly, then use the remaining numbers for the second. In the first triangle, 1 plus 3 plus 8 makes 12, so the center is 4. In the second triangle, 2 plus 6 plus 7 makes 15, so the center is 5. This task is really about splitting the cards into 2 good totals. Task 6 moves to pentagons, so now each center is the average of 5 outer numbers. In the first pentagon, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 8 equals 20, so the center is 4. In the second pentagon, 5 plus 7 plus 10 plus 11 plus 12 equals 45, so the center is 9. The slow method is always the same. Add the outer cards, then divide by 5. Task 7 is the second impossible case. If each triangle were valid, then each group of 4 cards would have a total equal to 4 times its center, so every group total would be a multiple of 4. But the sum of 1 to 12 is 78, and 78 is not a multiple of 4. That contradiction proves there is no full solution. When you use this applet by yourself, follow the same routine. First choose the outer numbers. Next add them carefully. Then divide by the number of outer circles to predict the center. Finally, use check or show thinking to test your reasoning. If the task has no solution, explain why with number reasoning, not just by guessing.